Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use Rainbet Referral code. Go to the official Rainbet website from your browser. On the home page, hit the register button to start creating your account. Now you can sign up with an email address or an existing account with Steam, Google or MetaMask for quick registration. Now during sign up, click on referral code and type CSGO Bettings. Then, by this code, you'll get a 20% rack back boost. For example, if you accumulate $300 worth of rakes, you'll receive an extra $60 back. You can withdraw it immediately or reinvest it in other Rainbet games for more chances to win. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.